Hey friends, Erica Bell here again, professional home organizer. If you are at the point in your home organizing journey where you are ready to purchase some supplies, maybe some organizing bins, some baskets, anything like that, if labels, if you are at that point in your journey, Amazon Prime days are coming up. And it's a perfect time to get these things, right? It is from July 8th through 11th. They have like doubled the time of these Prime days this year. And it is bonkers, the stuff that you can get on sale. So let me say this. I'm only speaking to those people that have organized and are ready to purchase things. They know what types of things they need, want, all of that. As you will see, in this other video, the stop buying bin video I have, you don't want to purchase organizing supplies before you know what you need, because so often we can have something and we just try to make our systems work, like kind of shove it into this box. We try to make it work when in reality we haven't purged. And again, in reality, we may need a better system than what we have. Does that make sense? If not, watch that whole video. So anyways, we just don't want to force anything. So if you're at the point though where you know you want to get something, you are ready, you know exactly what you need, this is the perfect time. Also, very exciting because some deals are already happening. So yay, early deals. And of course, like if you are new to this, if this is only going to be for Amazon Prime customers, highly suggest getting Amazon Prime. I'll link to all this stuff. And if you're new to this, you can just get deals on pretty much everything. It's a really, really great time to buy any summer stuff. Hey, shoot, if you're super organized, get a head start on your Christmas list. The other beautiful thing you will see right here, you can go to your Amazon account. I'll show you, like here I am on my computer, signed in, and it will go give you suggestions, like deals for you. So you will see that I have been looking for shoes for my kids, some tops for myself, and of course, always organizing supplies. So it will give you top deals specifically for you, which is incredible. So I'll again, you can see that here. I will link to like the main page where it says the Amazon deals. It's just a really good time to buy things. So take this kind of as like a hype video. I'm going to also give you in the description, I'm going to share with you a couple things that I really like. You know, I always love a bin or a basket. I really like a desk organizer if you have the space to keep something on top. And especially if you are one of those people where it's like out of sight, out of mind, and you need things on your desk to see them, these are great. So again, link below. Also clear, like just little containers that you put in drawers. Always love those. They're always useful. I use them in my makeup drawer. You can use them in your junk drawer, you know, again, a desk drawer, anything like that. Also right now, some of my favorite hangers are on sale. Again, I will link it. They are great space-saving hangers, and they are not the velvet ones, okay? And listen, some people really love the velvet ones. I love the look of them. They're just not necessarily for me. I kind of like a rubber plasticky kind of one. So these are that. They've got good grips. They're really thin. They're space-saving. So those are on sale. Very exciting. Also, it's a really great time if you have college age kids, maybe they're going to summer semester or starting college. It's a really, really great time to get those types of supplies as well. Like they have a ton of deals on their college stores. Again, find the link down below, but you can get so many different, not just school supply stuff. That's not necessarily what I'm talking about, although you can find that. But I'm talking about like if they're living in a dorm, it's like space saving design things, right? So it's organizers for behind the door, underneath the bed. Again, all of those space saving supplies to keep their stuff organized that we really need some clear containers, some under the bed storage, that sort of thing. So definitely check that out. All right, I will, if I find anything else that's just incredible, I will be sure to update you guys. Also, what are you the most excited about trying to snag, or what's the best deal you've gotten? Let me know. Be sure to share this with someone. And thanks for being here. I'll talk to you guys soon.